Welcome back to Real Life Electronics. First of all, I have to say that this is not the conventional method of making Bluetooth speaker. This is just a free time work. Also, it helps to reuse an unusable piece of hardware. This is a simple project. Only need a beginner level of soldering knowledge like me. The components needed are circuit of Bluetooth headphone and circuit of a desktop speaker or a good desktop speaker or any other speaker system with its own power supply and aux input. The basic idea behind this conversion is to connect the output of Bluetooth headphone as input to the speaker system. I insist to use a standalone speaker system because Bluetooth headsets are not meant to power large speakers, and also the amplification will be not that much greater for a large speaker. Circuit setup is straightforward. You can use the circuit for reference. Solder two wires to each left and right side of earphone ports of Bluetooth headphone. Now you have to find the aux input to the speaker amplifier system which is you are going to use. There will be negative and positive wires for this input. Since we have two positive and two negative from Bluetooth earphone, attach both positive wires to positive terminal and both negative wires to the negative terminal of speaker set. Bluetooth headphone circuit have its own battery, so do not put that circuit completely inside the speaker system. After all connections, turn on both speaker system and Bluetooth headphone circuit and pair with your phone like pairing your headphone. Now you will have a working Bluetooth speaker. This is not the best way to create a Bluetooth speaker, but it will help you to not waste a broken headphone.
കുഞ്ഞോളങ്ങൾ കൊഞ്ചും പോലെ കണ്ണേ കണ്ടാൽ മുന്നേ മിണ്ടിയിടും നിറഞ്ച്
So thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.